You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to stop location sharing from Google Maps. Open the Google Maps app on your phone and tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the menu, select Location Sharing. This will open a map showing all the people you are currently sharing your location with. To stop sharing your location with everyone at once, tap the blue stop button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Stop to confirm. To stop sharing with just one specific person, find their name in the list under the map and tap on it. On their contact card, tap the option that says Stop. Confirm by tapping Stop again. Your real-time location will immediately disappear from that person's map. If you want to pause sharing temporarily instead of stopping, you can tap the blue stop button and choose to turn off for 1 hour. To completely remove your shared location history, you must also go to your Google account settings. In the Maps app, tap your profile picture, go to your data in Maps, then tap location sharing activity, and you can delete past sharing history. Remember, stopping sharing is immediate and the other person will receive a notification that you stopped sharing. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.